Can API gateways improve your API endpoint testing process? Imagine trying to test a complex network of backend services without a clear control point. It can be messy and hard to keep track of what's working and what's not. Now, picture having a single gate that manages all incoming requests before they reach your backend. That's what an API gateway does. It acts as a middleman between your clients and your backend services, handling traffic, security, and more. But how does this help with testing your API endpoints? Let's find out. An API gateway centralizes all requests passing through it. This means you have a single place to monitor, control, and manipulate the traffic. When testing, this makes it easier to see how requests are routed and how responses are handled. You can simulate different request paths, headers, and query parameters without touching each backend service separately. This saves time and reduces errors during testing. Security is a big part of API gateway functions. It manages authentication and authorization centrally. So, when testing security features, you only need to focus on the gateway's token handling and permission checks. You don't have to test each backend service's security individually, which simplifies the process. It also helps verify that security policies are enforced correctly across the board. Rate limiting and throttling are other features that API gateways provide. During testing, you can check if the system correctly limits traffic and prevents overloads. This is important for ensuring your backend stays stable under heavy use. The gateway's ability to simulate traffic spikes and test how well it handles them is a big plus. Monitoring tools built into API gateways give immediate feedback. They track request rates, error responses, and response times. During testing, these metrics help you spot issues quickly. If a certain request causes errors or delays, you can identify and fix the problem faster. This real-time data makes your testing more effective and less guesswork. Automation is easier with an API gateway. Since all requests go through it, you can set up automated tests targeting the gateway endpoint. This allows you to test multiple backend services at once. It also fits well with continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines, making ongoing testing seamless. Protocol translation and caching are additional features that can be tested through the gateway. For example, if your system translates REST requests to WebSocket or caches responses, you want to verify these functions work correctly. Testing these features ensures clients get accurate and fast responses, improving overall reliability. For backend developers, using an API gateway as a testing interface means you can catch issues early. It allows testing of API endpoints before the entire backend is finished. It also helps teams work in parallel, with front-end and back-end development happening independently but tested together through the gateway. In summary, API gateways improve your API endpoint testing by providing a single, manageable point for traffic control, security, monitoring, and automation. This setup reduces complexity, broadens test coverage, and speeds up troubleshooting. It makes the process more straightforward, helping you deliver reliable APIs faster and more efficiently.